Hi, my name is Pranav. I am the technical sales support for the SuperTrak Conveyance team. Today, we are going to look at TrakMaster software, which is the user interface for the SuperTrak Gen 3 platform.
One of the main features of TrakMaster is its simulation tool. Simulations allow automation designers to develop an accurate overview of their system early in their design phase to make sure it's fully optimized and offering the best ROI possible.
Let's dive in a little deeper and talk about Smart Conveyance. One of the biggest value offered by Smart Conveyance and the SuperTrak Gen 3 platform is its asynchronous motion.
Asynchronous motion can reduce the number of stations and the size of the final system when compared with synchronous motion. Independent shuttle control allows us to connect stations with different cycle times without being limited by the slowest station.
Typically, a big challenge for the automation designers is its complexity associated with asynchronous motion.
This is where simulations come into play. Simulations within TrakMaster offer a fast and easy way to show your system layout and configuration and provide accurate performance indicators like statistics, throughput, and power consumption in real time. Within TrakMaster, you can easily now drag and drop stations around the track, configure their size, cycle time, and other parameters, and the software will automatically create all the motion configurations and targets to simulate the full system.
Another cool feature of TrakMaster is that you can easily skip stations and swap them if needed.
You just need to ask TrakMaster to recreate the motion configuration. From here, you can load any configuration onto a track and press Start. Your simulation is now working on the track.
Learn more about TrakMaster software with our free online SuperTrak Academy course, implementing your smart conveyance faster.
Visit www.supertrakconveyance.com.